we got two very super cool fidget spinners made at home, Batman and Minions. If you want step-by-step instructions, please make sure to watch our other DIY fidget spinner video. This one, we're just gonna show you how we got to Batman and Minions. Take a look, enjoy, and have fun. These were so much fun and so easy to make at home. You guys must try it. If you want to watch more of our fidget videos, please be sure to be subscribed and click on the notification button. You'll know when we put out more videos like this one. Thank you for watching my 2 p.m. We hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share with your friends. We'll see you next time. Make it fun!